Well, I found something I really like and wanted to share it with you, and I think you should share this with your friends before you just plant some trees. So hold on. The ficus tree. It's a beautiful tree. It's in the mulberry family. Offers lots of shade. It's beautiful. It's got a beautiful head on top, and frankly, I mean, it's just gives lots of shade. Now let's look at the nemesis part of this tree. It's also, from what I understand, in the mulberry family. So hold on. So this tree, beautiful green, fantastic head on top. Underneath of this tree, it's probably 10 to 15 degrees cooler today. It's 90 where I'm at today in Yorba Linda. But as we come down, then we check things out. As we come down, the ficus tree. This is the real issue. So the ficus tree, as beautiful as it is, it's looking for water. It's draining all the water out of your grass, your plants. So there are some rose bushes here, which is very surprising. But then we're gonna go follow a root. As we follow the root and come through this section, let's just follow this root. Let's see where it goes. It goes over there to the left, and then it comes over here to the right. Oh, and then the crack driveway. So this is what your tree can do, what your tree will do as you let it grow bigger and bigger. And also planting this big boy here. But follow the roots. Follow the roots right back to the tree, and you'll see all the problems of what this beautiful tree can do. In my opinion, it's not a tree, it's a weed. So definitely, if you plant this in place, watch the roots. Don't let them come towards your house. And frankly, don't plant them near your house, near your water main, near your sewer line, because long term, they will infect those lines. So just showing you something you should definitely be aware of it. Be aware of. A little tongue-tied, a little warm today. Anyway, Dave Pratt on this. I was looking for something like this to show you why you should not plant certain things in place. Oh, let me show you. I did not see this before. So see this? This is a patch. They had to get in here, and then they had to get to the water meter, because you know these roots probably got there and then started giving it nothing but problems. So they had to cut the driveway up, fix the old water main, and then put it back together again and cut the roots. So I was called to come take a look at this driveway, and I found it. So Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. Looking for your ugly project, looking for problems. If you have something of interest, let me know. I'd love to come take a look at it and film it. But this is not paver stone, so this is concrete. This is why you don't want concrete. Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. I'm out.